Why does indication always to the start applicate with the process? Who knows what cameras they are using? Just using this kind of camera, so it's all but the embedded intended here. Well, I always say it's the best available what you have right now in your hand, and there is no other cameras to be honest. Our hand, it is always limited. Right. Now it's a little searching on it. I'll put it tässä puolella, kuudella per puntus. Akuitsekin perus, sestora parucilla madasitia. The rottens. Is just showing a picture of how much different food you have right now in your hands. Alright, you have a drink, super carrot, paper, different breakfast, case of bread, sandwiches, Cajun cheeses, paper, light, four, case of muffins, capers, and checkered. A checkered. How to have a checkered? Getting energy and eating very well. One thing is also is a food, in case you get the right food, eating the food. Alright, there's a waste of moment of anything. Right now, take a consideration what you have there. Alright, you have a lot of those potatoes. Let's get the potatoes consideration. Let me show it out how much potatoes I have. Let's stop this question every second. Let's see. Here it is. There's something new. Something can go wrong. It goes. Alright. It weighs tons. So what do? Put the camera here. One hand. And here it is. Potatoes. What the hell are you doing? Let me show it on this occasion. Okay, here it is. So for the cans, I indeed need some kind of help right now. Otherwise everything just going to get more drinks and more everything pressure. So I need a little working on here. Just take a look at the potatoes. Put your hands, Jason. How are these potatoes? How they really are. They are, Jason. Now it's a permittitx spoil it as a Gucci. One thing is ensuring that in the spoliation. You have learned to speak in this dimension. Yes, c'est very good for you. I like the design of potato. They are tasteful, very, very, very tasteful. How see the point? What's opinion is quotidian when you started this doing? The coin to probably make it look, you know, misconception, appréhension. Yes, or to get the leadership détention, just in a confusion. So you need to be reheated. Let's get it all to heat away. There's two possibilities. Either you have a butter in here to this point is faster. If you have a butter here, or the butter is a kind of way you try. I can decide myself. Problem. I guess the butter is always problem. I would be always, even this case, and it's very cold butter. The warm water would be a disaster. Very cold water is, any water is always worse than without water at all. So, dès qu'on avait let transition collecting on when the hard case, the one that is a potato peeling on. The showing the potato peeling is hard when it is the cold. You have to be s'appelait de sulfation to it would be attention. When it is heating of the process, the peel, the crovia kernel, it's much easier to separate the outer layer of the potato from the rest. So you have a loose maybe 10-20% of the mass of the potato in there. And it is the proteins and all the vitamins and very nutritious, a lot of lost. But can you eat, you know, something like this? What is it? Is it something soil? Is it something ash? Is it something just some little stones in the house? I mean, well, you have a lot of little stones and all, and you have to only clean it. When you are eating something like that, when you have to pick it up yourself, there's no process, which is the potatoes all like very, very mechanically clean up. So the potatoes just losing the oil. They told whether they ever killing in the hen And so one of his ways, the cutting letterfotet, letter to the eating continuation, and fabulous dissertation, addition, ricutement, more. Day after day, qu'est-ce qui est escalation? Starting for to now the eating, to looking for after what. So you need to forget. One of the things is a problem also. So what you do now? Mechanical. Alright, just clean out here. Faster. Here it is. Okay. Just as quick as possible. Check apart. Okay. So what? Just remove those. I'll collect some other place. Okay. So putting on here. Okay. I will ready to the people establishment. Okay. So the populace. So what you using about it? The remaining square. The water. What was it? The water could be used. After all, it have be quite a lot of proteins. Proteins, they are liquid. The proteins are more liquid or solid. Or what is solid? Fat. What is usually when they cook it up something, you always leave something somewhere. What happens if all the water is completely soaked away? One thing is, what is the classic form of different proteins or some other specialty where? So in this home, where would you think about all of those clean areas are? They are here. Alright, so your topic in mythology seems to be using this water what you have left to hydrate some case. You do sort of be like one of these. One of these, if you when it's quickly to chance, this is the water is like you know the other learning the I can't believe it is the case. It just absolutely makes no sense whatsoever. Right now, huge risks, exceptionally huge risks. The train all the water away, whatever it is, train the water away. This is absolutely terrible. One of the typical cases, you couldn't see the thing happening. And so, one thing is, it is established is some electronic devices with the water. Okay, so it's better to closing on to pay for it and just keep it going on. Okay, now I have the ability to clean up all those. I might now consuming what is happening on this the potato chips. Just to push one hand. Why are you lifting your hand? One hand. Come on, one hand deviation. You have no strength to the 2 kilos coming use this kind of hands. Is all a proper environ or is something to left your arm? Or now I make a big mistake. The one computer might be a disaster, destroyed by this axle. Could it be? Yes. The problem